Here are more of the best sound effects in movies. Yeah, it's safe to say Star Wars mastered the art of sound design. Every single scene has layers of sound that just make it that much more of a quality movie. Not gonna lie, the Indiana Jones whip is really overlooked. However, it's just an iconic sound that's always stuck with the character, and it's kind of quintessential to the character as well in his movies. The way Matt Reeves just captured like the fear element in this scene and like the anticipation of him to like actually start charging the penguins, just the perfect sound design, like the charge up, it's crazy. Once again, good sound effects making a Star Wars scene that much more memorable.